lifts at Park Road Station. No working indicator in this one, looks like.
To upper level, footbridge and exit.
Second one. Well, it's not the working indicator. Apparently it's going up. We're not calm. Oh, good working indicator. Not.
To lower level, platform 2 and 3.
There's a lot of LEDs in that. Looks like Witter doors.
2 upper level, footbridge and exits.
Wasn't there 2 upper level? You're at the upper level. Last one. Emergency stop button will stop the lift. Well, no crap. It's a weird door. Looks like that one's been replaced. That one's a new door, that one's the old door.
Level, platform 4, train.
I replaced the door on that side. Actually, these two must be replaced as well. Because those two look like those. That one there, and that one looks like original door, this one. Doesn't match with that. 2 upper level.
2 upper level, footbridge and exit.
These levels really well. Okay, now to the Boggo Road station, bus station lifts. First one, these ones have the new lift voice. Zalabag? Maybe? Big chassis. Big chassis for a cheap lift.
Going down.
Doors closing, please mind the doors.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Big creepy lights.
First floor.
Doors
Doors
open.
opening.
To the station link bus. 2920.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up.
Service by Schindler. Never seen that before. Second floor, don't
Second floor. Doors opening.
Leveling isn't the best. Let's have a look
Going
at.
down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
It says that a lot, doesn't it? Watch the motor. There you go, now the other one. Last lift.
Doors opening. Level 2.
Cab.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down. Level 1. Doors opening.
There's another ding dong one. That's a dong sound. I'm not door equipment, that is.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
No, you're not. You're open. weird door skate.
Going up.
Dun, 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 dun. You can see the door skate move.
Level 2. Doors opening.
Or use the emergency phones located on the platform.
Oh, look at the motor on this
Or
one.
call Crime Stoppers on 1800 333 000.
1-800.
Thank you.
It's a weird design. Same motor. Okay, that's not. There you go.